So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create beautiful particle animation with using RGB Trapcode plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition and press OK. So guys, I go on here, project, and right click, import and import file. Guys, I have this one, 3D object file. So import, drag and drop on main com. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my OBJ format file. So hide, and now right click, new solid layer, and guys, layer name, use one, take anyone. So select this one layer and apply this one, form effector, this one. Yeah, see guys, that's my plugin, right? Okay, so guys, basic form, go on here and change to object OBJ model, and second one OBJ setting. So take this one file. See guys, that's my OBJ format file. So take this one. Yeah, see guys, that's my 3D model, right? Okay, so now guys, go to on here, particles, and guys, size change. Size I like 1. Yeah, and opacity decrease like 25. Yeah, see guys, that's my objects. So 100%. Yeah, and now guys, you can change also color. Color I take blue color. The color code is H220. S I take 100 and B take 50. So press OK. Yeah, see guys, that's my dark blue color, right? Okay, so next one guys, take new solid layer and layer name like 2. That's my second particle. So same Trapcode and use particular. Yeah, right. So go on here like this. See guys, that's my particle. So go on shift layer. Yeah, and increase. Yes, and play. Yeah, right. See. Okay, so guys, select this particle layer and I go to emitter, and emitter type use same OBJ model. Yeah, and guys, go to here OBJ emitter and apply this file. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, velocity I like 0. Yes, see guys, that's my second particle, right? So this time same particle, and guys, life second I like 1. Yeah, and size I like 2. Yeah, beautiful, right? See. Okay, so guys, also change color. Color guys, take same blue color. H take 200, and guys, S 60 and take 100. Yeah, that's my light blue, right? Okay, so guys, go to here on here emitter. Guys, I increase this particles like 3000. Yes, better. And guys, go on here physics and air and use turbulence mode, this one, and change effect size randomly guys, I like 5, and scale size increase like 50 also. Yes, better, and play. Yeah, so click on here. See guys, that's my second particle effect, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply this time glow effect. Glow, select this glow, apply on second layer. Yes, beautiful. Guys, threshold like 100, radius 50. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I apply this time third layer. So select this layer 2 and duplicate, Control D, and rename like 3. That's my 3 layer, right? Okay, so guys, go on here effect, and again Trapcode. Guys, this time I use star glow, this one. Yes, beautiful. And guys, change presets, use anyone, this one also beautiful. See guys, beautiful effect. And boost light I like 10 and sprinkle like 10 is good. Amount, yeah, all is good, right? Okay, so guys, now decrease particle. So select this layer 3 and go to emitter and particle like 1000. Yes, really good, right? Okay, so now guys, this time I take camera and preset 50 mm is good. And guys, closer, press C. So closer, yeah, and down. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful particles, right? See, okay, so guys, particle is really good. Now last one, I create background. So solid layer and BG and go to last, and guys, I apply ramp effect. So select this gradient and apply on background. Yeah, so switch radial ramp, go to our mid, yeah, and start color. Guys, take blue as 210, 100 and 25. And second one here, end color, I like 210, 100 and B I like 10. Yeah, and increase this ramp size. Yes, right, see, it's beautiful guys, right? Okay, so now guys, you can change also this sparkling effect. So go to particle and size, I like 1. Yes, much better. And guys, particle little bit increase, yeah, also good. Yes, much better, right? See, okay, so guys, all is good. Now I create rotation animation. So use null object and select this camera and make child with null. Yeah, guys, select this null and 3D. So press R, rotation, and guys, click on here Y rotation and go to last one and Y rotation, take 2. Yeah, and guys, I take auto resolution and play. Yes, see guys, that's my particle rotation effect, and see, that's really beautiful guys, right? So next one guys, select this particle 3 and change on glow setting, radius also like 100. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yes, beautiful guys, right? See, that's my new style of particle effect with using 3D object, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.